Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice kanji at home. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 1 cup of rice, 8 cups of water, and a pinch of salt. Opt for a white rice variety like jasmine or basmati for the best texture and flavor. Also, make sure you have a large pot ready, as the kanji will expand significantly during cooking. This simple dish is both comforting and easy to prepare. Now let's prepare the rice. Begin by rinsing 1 cup of rice thoroughly under cold running water. You'll want to repeat this process until the water runs clear, which usually takes about 3 to 4 rinses. This step removes excess starch, preventing the kanji from becoming too sticky. After rinsing, soak the rice in about 2 cups of fresh water for at least 30 minutes. This helps the grains cook more evenly. It's time to cook. First, drain the soaked rice completely. Then, combine the drained rice with 8 cups of fresh water in your large pot. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to a low simmer, cover the pot, and let it cook for 45 to 60 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent the rice from sticking to the bottom of the pot and ensure even cooking. Once the rice has broken down and the kanji reaches a creamy, porridge-like consistency, it's ready. Add a pinch of salt to taste and stir it in thoroughly. Serve your kanji hot, and for an extra touch, you can garnish it with a drizzle of sesame oil or a sprinkle of fresh herbs. It's a wonderfully soothing and nutritious meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to these fantastic containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade rice kanji.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.